Hey guys, good afternoon. So we just had a reversal, sold off and then came right back. The market is wanting to break out higher, and the holdup is the 6 month three and the 90-day three sitting here on NQ, and you can see we're at the 90-day three. The 6 month three is actually below it. So we're the market is trying to break out on the stablecoin. So you can see here is the 6 month three. And the ES problem is here's the 90-day, and then here's the 6 month above it. So it's sort of flipped. So there's room to go higher on the ES, which may, induce us to get our tail. These are tails on, well, actually, it's not tails. These, let me back up. This is a 12-week RL. So, but the market, is definitely, pinned to this level. And so far, the dealers have not been compelled to move risk out. We got good news today out of DC. They passed the Genius Act, and the House, after it failed yesterday, made some calls, explained some things to the Congress people, and their concerns were addressed, and so they were able to pass that bill today. And so that will go to the Senate. I don't think it's anything in the immediate future. Maybe within a month or two, we'll get the Genius Act and get the stable coins um, in line. So that should bring a lot of forward momentum to the market. I'm still looking for that pop and drop. You can see that the RSI has fallen greatly on NQ. More greatly, um, it had come off the 70 and it's fallen down and sort of flattened out. So we're just consolidating on the 6 month three. And we've also got the monthly, right in the middle of the monthly range. But it's really that 6.3 that's holding the price up. And so they came in right at the daily where we thought they would, 23.95. So on the ES, same thing. There's several to everyone. The top little white dotted line right there, and the two, this combination at 6308 is what the pain price. Now tomorrow, I mentioned to you earlier, the max pain drops. So it was at 6,300 today. It's going to go 6260 tomorrow, or 6270, but it's dropping like 30 points. They want you to start coming down. It's going to draw the market down a little bit. So they're definitely, getting ready for Friday, the big drop. And just take a quick peek and make sure that it hasn't changed. It was 6,100 this morning. So for Friday, we've got still 6,100, yeah. And tomorrow, 6260. So we're coming down 40 points. So we're coming down all the way down here for the max pain. That should, draw the market down a little bit for tomorrow. Okay. Um, Otherwise, the VIX hit my levels to the tick almost. Yep, to the tick. 1942. Let's see what that high was. 1948. So really close, and then came back down. 37-day R-ball. So our monthly mean is here at 19, and that's where we got to as expected. So um, I think we will go up to these higher ones over the next few days, especially, and maybe even exceed it, go outside the ones, but looking at least for 21, 21, 24, 2091, 21, 21, 24, something like that. If we, move back up. I'm presuming that the market was going to fall. It may not. I mean, that stablecoin thing is pretty huge. It's going to bring a lot of capital into the United States. So it seems very bullish for equities. And a lot of companies are going to start, adopting stablecoins. A lot of banks are. And other companies. True Social has announced a trademark application today. So definitely something to keep your eye on. And they announced the Indonesia tariff announcement, and so more countries are going to be announcing their tariff packages. So that's all good. And Trump said that he wasn't going to fire Jerome, so he got him off the hot seat and pending investigation. So maybe he knows something else is going to happen and the problem's going to be resolved. Um, so we can't have a federal chair of the Federal Reserve under investigation for fraud. So that's not going to work. All right. So we'll see what happens. So that's it for me. Quick update. I'm just, not seeing, if the 63.27 breaks higher, I'm looking for 6,400 and then go up to the 12-week R-ball on the NQ. But I just don't see that happening. With that big drop down to 6,100 for Friday, kind of hard to imagine that they're going to, do anything but a pop and drop instead of a, push and trend, more of a pop and drop. And then next week it goes back, so hopefully it'll have a little bit of a pullback so they can get you back up. All right, just normal trading, normal offense. So I hope y'all have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.